Hajjaj Sawaf narrates that Abu Raja, Abu Qalaba's freed slave, who was accompanying him in Syria, narrated him the hadith. Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, consulting the people, inquired, "What is your opinion about oath-taking?" The people said, "It is a fact, for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to do so, and the caliphs prior to you acted upon it." The transmitter says Abu Qalaba was then standing behind the throne. So Ambasa bin Saeed said, "What's about Hazrat Anas' hadith about the Uraina tribe?" Abu Qalaba said, "It is the hadith which Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu narrated to me." So what is reported by Abdul Aziz bin Suhaib from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu contains Uraina, and what is reported by Abu Qalaba from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says Ukul. He then narrated the complete episode. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4193.